Yeah, I understand. What I would rather you did every single time, though, is buy puts right here with a stop right here.
Yeah.
And then once it breaks to the upside, you're in a call, and then your stop just below it. Do that. If you did this 98% of the time, you'll be successful versus you trying to see if it has momentum, buying this right here, because this is what you're doing. You're buying the bottom of this channel with the calls, hoping it then blasts through. But the problem is in this level is where it can yank really hard. You see Apple getting ready to test for the 4th time. This is bullish. Do you see it? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is bullish. Most likely when it touches 4 times, it'll break to the upside. Guess what I'm getting ready to set up to do on my SPY? I will wait for this all to break, including SPY has to break and hold 456.82. If it does, if it can get up. Now look at, see how it didn't make it up here? It never made it here. And look at this pullback. That's why I said that's so dangerous here. We wait for confirmation before we do anything. It's staying up here. It did not get rejected, but be cautious. Be very cautious because now we're driving back into this channel. But it popped up. Could have made a quick buck. I missed it. It happens. If it retests again and pops, you know damn well what I'm going to do. I'm going to hammer them, right? I'm getting out just because I don't like the way Apple's pulling over here. See Apple pulling back? SPY hasn't caught up yet, but I'm going to wait and see. Again, if SPY breaks and holds the threshold, what am I going to do? Anybody?
Call with a tight stop.
There you go. Absolutely. Right here, again, we're waiting to see the break of 456.86. If it breaks and holds, boom, I'm going to be back in it again. I'm also watching Apple to see. There it goes. Trying to enter again. Notice this is the 2nd time. Starting to buy up. There it goes. I'm in the trade. There's the pop. Now let's see if it can stay up there. It went green. It's green again. I want a bigger pop. We're to the upside now. There it goes. It's running. Come on, big move. We're in that new area. There it goes. There's 750. Come on, bigger move. Come on, I want a big pop. Come on, stay up there. Big pop. Come on, there's 750 again. There it goes. That's the move. There's 1,500, 1,700. I'll take it. Come on, I don't want to chase it or I'll pay too much, but I don't want to miss the run either. Miss the run, I'm canceling. Because here, now it can pull back. By the way, this was another $5 to $1,000 move, right? But do you see how you just got to be ready? Bet your ass you do. Now we're waiting again. Now notice it didn't go pop, pop, pop. Did you see how it didn't continue to drive? I'm not going to chase that. Now what we need to do is I need to rechart SPY. Always recharting because we're at the upper limit of today. See it? We don't have anything. We don't have anywhere else to measure from. Do you guys see it? Now I got to go back previous day. What were key levels? Right here.
57.80.
Yep. You guys watching? Next key critical level, 457.20. I got to have these marked. Otherwise, I'm flying blind here. Oh, that one's too tight. Not really worried about it. Right there. 457.20, 32, 49. Those are my next key critical levels. You see how I got them marked? Boom. Those are my next trades. You guys see it? And there it goes. You see how it's in this new upper band? It's trading up here nice and high. Look at Apple broke the triple top. Didn't I tell you guys it had to break the triple top? Yes?
Yep.
It's all making its move. Now, hopefully I'm not too late in this from charting, but I had to find out what it's doing. If this pulls back, I'll get out for an L. I don't care. It's got to stay up here. You have to take the time to chart to know what's coming. Look at 457.20 and look at where it stopped. And I just charted all that before I saw what it was doing, right? And where did it stop, Eric? That's why I won't sit here, because if it can't break 20, it's coming back down to 85.
Yep.
I'm watching Apple pull. Apple, look at Apple. I had marked at 196.25. And SPY I got marked at 20. You see how both of them are working in conjunction?
Absolutely.
Yep. I do that all the time. That is why I always am looking at usually Apple with it. Now, right here, I'm in a high risk area. I'm in the middle of a channel. This is dangerous. You don't want to be in the middle of a channel. I want to either be popping or buying it on the bottom. Now it'd be like if I bought it in the middle, right? It's not a good place to be. Yep, we need nice, high, fast momentum to get this out of here. Otherwise, if this candle goes lower than that previous candle, I won't be in the trade. It'll be about a 3K L. But I've got to let this trade develop. You can't just run out. So in my mind's eye, I am looking at the previous candle. As long as this one stays afloat, I'm still in business. If not, I get out. I don't care. You have to have those stops.